Hello guys, today I'm on call from morning, but I was supposed to come in the hospital at 4 p.m. but I came early because I need to supervise my senior registrar for a cesarean section that is ongoing. Alhamdulillah, cesarean section is done and now I am out of OR and I will show you our recovery area and then I will go to my room. I will put my things and then I will see. Today is Friday, so far our collecting area is empty, but you never know when it will be full because emergency and emergency, we cannot guess anything before time. Let's come out of OR first and then I will go upstairs to keep my things. I'm going upstairs. I need to take the elevator to go upstairs. Please be with me so you will have a look of the hospital. I will show you many areas. And now I need to go inside just to place my things and I will show you my room too. And here I am. Okay, let's go inside. Here it goes. I'm sharing this room with two other consultants. We are not always in the room, but we use it to have some rest so at least we can do our duty nicely. Oh, here is the problem. I just lied down mistakenly on my glasses and know these are broken. I don't know how to mend. I need to find a general surgeon to fix an appointment for the fracture repair. What to do? And here comes the next baby, the most beautiful cry in the world. That is the cry of a newborn baby. So happy to hear this. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby, for crying so loudly. Thank you very much. Be happy ever. And here is the new father seeing the face of his baby first time in baby's Lamborghini. I'm joking, guys. It's not Lamborghini. I know it's not Lamborghini, it's transport machine to transfer the baby to the nursery, but we call it just by a pet name, that is Lamborghini, or like an aeroplane for the baby, so it's just a sign of happiness. It is Azan for Asr. I came before time, so now I will pray Salah and I will go to the clinic. And let's see what will happen there. So this is our beautiful Celia transferring the baby. No other patient in DR so far. And now this is the beauty here. This is our OPD and I need to rush to the clinic, otherwise they will kill me. But I will tell you a secret. Actually, they cannot kill me because if they will kill me, who will do the clinic? It's a joke, guys. It's not real. Just understand the situation, okay? See this beautiful view. All these cars you see here, all these patients are admitted in the hospital. They are in the rooms or in OR or in DR. They don't want me to stay long time in OPD, nor they call me in ER to see the patient. And why to see the patient? Because need to decide whether she goes home or stay. At your service, Angel. I'm almost here, don't worry. Just wait. On the way to ER. Lucky me, the door is open, otherwise I need to come from other side. But very good. I saved the time. Okay, so here I am. Let's start to see the patients. And don't forget to listen the rhythmic jingle of my stamp against my keys. So I finished my examinations. I saw all the patients and I gave advice and suggestions according to their situations. And if some patient does not want to stay in the hospital, they need to sign a paper. And we call that paper by a short name, that is DAMA. You understand it? Now back to clinic quickly because I don't want to be killed by today. Who will do the call then? It's a joke, guys. And don't forget to listen again the rhythmic jingle of my stamp with my keys. It's interesting. Now I'm again in OPD and I will show you something. Just see the other side, the other view. This is also very beautiful and very pretty. You can see the whole parking lot, but not whole, but some of the parking lot from here. And here comes my clinic. I will show you. And here is my coffee. I brought it hot, but now it is heterogeneically cold coffee, cold black coffee. Just have a view of my plants and my window from outside, the sunshine. Beautiful. Dear friends, don't think that I'm not doing anything in the clinic. Actually, no, I'm free. That's why I'm shooting this video. Clinic was finished and then I went straight to the OR, and after OR, no, I coming to the room and I need some drink because I really want to hydrate myself, and time is running. Time runs. You see, no, it's 11:25 p.m. I will see if I can do some rest or not. Let's see. Day and night are immersed because continuously in DR and now again in OR. I need to do some cases. Now in the morning it is 6:25. During the surgery, I need to inform OR about the next coming cases. Critical case coming from ER. Time runs, end of shift, but work still remains. You can imagine how busy I was. I could not find time to mend my glasses, and I could not find any surgeon to just mend the fracture of my glasses. So still I am working with those broken glasses. It shows that how busy we are when we are on call. It's a joke again. But take it seriously because usually we are busy. Sometimes we find some time, but mostly busy. Finally, Alhamdulillah, it is over. It was a super hectic call. Now I'm going home. It is 12:30 in the noon. Except few, all cases were high risk, and most of the time we spend in the OR. And we have 3 patients for laparoscopic cystectomies, and one of those patients were in shock. And there was a lot of blood in her abdominal cavity. Actually, abdominal cavity was full of blood. But we are so lucky and we are thankful to Allah that all cases went well and all our patients are very stable now. Alhamdulillah. I was so relaxed when I came home that call went well and all the patients were in good condition. I slept for a while and then after Maghrib we came out to have dinner and to see the beautiful Riyadh, and now we are here in Riyadh Gallery. We have already finished our dinner and it's 9 p.m. in the night, and now we are planning to go home. I want to share these beautiful views of Riyadh Gallery with you as well because I always love to come here and I love this place. It is so full of life and so full of light as well. Now just see the beautiful view of Riyadh from outside. I always love to come out in Riyadh at night. Beautiful lights and pretty colors of Riyadh. It is so lovely. And that's it. I hope you guys like the video. Please give your comments. I will appreciate your participation and we'll see you in the next video. So then, goodbye and fi amanillah.